Hello, I'm Teemu from DUSTMOVERS. Today we are going to replace some parts to E30 and after that we are going to prepare E90 for the winter. So let's go. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, it's right here. And now done. Okay, so when I bought this E36 compact trailing arms, the seller forgot to mention that left side has been bent. So as you can see, the front wheel is now straight, and when looking, the rear wheel is not even close straight. Now you start seeing the rim, so it's really pointing to different direction. Might be even better to drive when all four wheels are pointing on the same direction.
Forever living in the dark. I feel so alive, still remembering what I want, but it ends with you. Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile and don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down. Unreal intertwined, and you're not listening. It is your choice to make a little mockery, it won't do. Further down the line, still surrendering, trying harder to forgive you. Candlelight has gone out. Some will win and some will lose. Nothing much else to say. Thought I was searching for something. Door has closed, not a sound. Take a look as I am now. Still I smile and don't speak. Will you please slow down? Slow down.
Slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. Ask me how we got here, 'cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries as we'll find out. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow, who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it.
Now the trailing arm has been replaced and it's time to test drive. Let's see if this did fix the problem. I hope so, but from here you can see it's pretty much lined with the body lines. The wheel is straight. New trailing arm, new brake dust shield. It's time for a test drive. Test drive was awesome. Replacing the trailing arm fixed the problem and now it's really nice to drive. Now the next step is inspection and then the car is going to winter storage. Now it was a really pleasure to drive the E30. All wheels are aligned to the same direction, so the drive was really nice. I have forgotten how nice car it is to drive when it's okay. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button if you liked. We will see you on the next episode. Bye!
I know I'm not easy, I drag you out your mind, and there are days